Invite your partner to this meditation. Create a space for them, a physical space right next to you, an emotional space around you. Create the space for you and for both of you. Sit or lay down next to each other, not too close, not too far, just enough that you can feel the warmth between you, the energy. This is not about fixing anything. It's not about changing. It's not about correcting. This time is about remembering. Remembering that under all the noise, there is still love. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath together and exhale together. Let's do it again. Take a deep breath in and exhale together. Let your breaths find the same rhythm. Slowly, steady, naturally. You don't have to synchronize perfectly. Just feel the presence of someone breathing next to you. That's connection. That's connection. Very gently, bring the last time you misunderstand your partner. Very gently, the last time you misunderstood each other. The tone, the silence, the look, that tiny moment that made your body tighten. Maybe you wanted to say something fast, defend, explain. Feel it in your belly. Now, freeze that memory. Don't relive it, just pause it. See yourself in that moment. But this time, instead of reacting, you breathe and feel your partner next to you. You're both breathing. You notice your heartbeat slows down. Breathe into this feeling of being uncomfortable and nail down the need to react, the need to defend, the need to scream your truth. You are here. You feel your body saying, I am safe now. I am safe next to you. You are learning to stay, not in the fight, not in the reaction, but in the feeling. You whisper inside, I can slow down here. I can listen. I can still love. This is the beginning of change. When you pause right before the storm, when you notice and allow instead of react. Pause. Now imagine that beside you, still with your eyes closed, sits not your adult partner as they are today, but a child there once were. See them clearly. The age, their eyes, even the outfit they wore. Look at their hair. Look at their surrounding, their smell. Look at this innocent way they looked at the world before they learned to guard it. Notice. And then see yourself right next to them, your own younger self sitting next to them, the one who wanted to be loved exactly as they were. Notice your outfit, your age. Look at your feet, see your shoes. Your two children just next to each other. Two of you, two children, two hearts that once learned to protect themselves, and today, two hearts that still want to connect. Breathe in. Breathe. Let the children meet. Maybe they smile. Maybe they hold hands. Or maybe they sit quietly next to each other. There's no rush. Just let them see each other. And it feels right. Let your adult self whisper to both of them, "Hey, you're safe. You don't need to prove anything." Love doesn't disappear when things get hard. Find love around you. Stay there for a moment. This is what pause feels like. Soft, human, forgiving. Now slow down in your mind's eye. Let those two children fade gently on a long path as they work further and further into the light. The light settles into your heart. Now feel your partner's presence next to you. You can even sense their warmth through the air. Allow. Both of you carry the same light right now. The one that came from seeing, observing, not reacting, being in the present. Take a deep inhale through your heart and exhale softly, releasing any tightness left. If you could send one message without words, what would it be? Maybe it's thank you. Maybe it's I'm here. And maybe it's simply I still care. Whether it is, send it silently. Let the energy between you receive it. Now, imagine a tiny small moment in the future. One that could normally create maybe a little distance. A sigh, a comment, a look. It feels so old and familiar. This time, it's different. This time, you met the child who was afraid and reacted, and this time, before you choose to say anything, you remember this moment right here. The pause, the breath together, the warmth beside you. This time, you choose differently. You breathe first, you soften first, and something changes. You realize connection was never about agreeing. It was about staying long enough for love to catch up, for love, for connection, for being together. Take one more deep breath together, and as you exhale, let gratitude fill the space between you. You've both practiced something sacred today. Pausing not to avoid emotion, but to find each other inside it. Let's pause and fill in the pause with love, with connection, with gratitude for one each other, for gratitude for one another. And before you open your eyes, place your hand. Now place your hand on your heart, and with your other hand, gently rest it on your partner's heart. Feel both heartbeats, different rhythms, same love. Whisper softly, I see you. I'm here. I see you. I'm here. I see you. I'm here. Let that be enough. Take a slow inhale and exhale. Feel the endless love between you, connecting you, bringing you together. And when you open your eyes, you will feel connected than ever. In this pause moment, in the moment of choice. I'm going to count until 1, when 1 is an alert number. 5, 3. 2, wiggle your fingers. 2, feel yourself in the room. And 1 is an alert number. You just practice together the art of pause.